In the dawn of antiquity, the first cities emerged like beacons of civilization, each a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. From the ancient city-states of Mesopotamia to the bustling markets of ancient Rome, these urban centers were the hubs of culture, commerce, and power. The ancient city of Ur, in Mesopotamia, was one such example. Its ziggurats and temples, towering over the plains, were a spectacle of architectural prowess. The city thrived due to its strategic location, serving as a crossroads for trade routes. Yet, crisis loomed. The city's rapid growth strained resources, and frequent invasions disrupted its peace. The Babylonian conquest of Ur in 2334 BC was a stark reminder of the fragile nature of urban life. In response, the city's leaders made a crucial decision. They embarked on an ambitious project to expand the city's irrigation system, ensuring a steady supply of water for agriculture and fostering economic growth. This action not only secured the city's survival but also laid the foundation for its continued prosperity. Fast forward to the Roman Empire, the city of Rome itself faced a similar crisis. Overpopulation, resource depletion, and social unrest threatened its stability. The city's aqueduct systems, like the Appian and Anio Novus aqueducts, became vital in addressing these issues. They brought water to the thirsty city, quenching the needs of its growing population and enabling the continuation of urban life. The story of urbanization is a testament to human resilience and adaptability. Cities, from their humble beginnings to modern metropolises, have consistently shown the ability to overcome crises and adapt to changing circumstances. The lessons learned from these historical urban transformations continue to shape the way we build and live in cities today. From the ancient city-states of Mesopotamia to the sprawling metropolises of the modern age, the story of urbanization is a fascinating journey of growth, struggle, and transformation. It is a story that continues to unfold, a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity.